Welcome to DRJ's lab. In this video, we are going to create an applet in NetBeans and we will implement one action listener and action event. Open NetBeans, create new project, select Java class library. Next, give name of your project. Here, two source package, two folder will created. First is source package, second is library. You can add additional library from outside. You can create a new class file from here. New, give the name, that is my app. Finish. To create an applet, I require to import some libraries like import java.applet.applet. Here my class is going to be extended applet. You can see here this applet is a class package, and here A is a start with the capital letter is a class where my app class is going to be inherited. Now implement one method from applet class, that is init method, where we are going to implement some initial component. To run applet, it is compulsory to write one HTML tag known as applet code equals to, code is indicating the entry point of the applet class, so it will be a my app in our case. Height equals to 300, width equals to 300. Complete. As I said, it is compulsory to write if we are running it in applet viewer, and it is not compulsory if we directly running this applet in our HTML page. Okay, right now select this file, right click and click on run, or simply directly we can run it by Shift F6. You will see your applet is working. This is what your applet. Now we are going to implement one button. So I required one more library to be included, that is import java.awt.star. AWT is called abstract window toolkit, which contain the definitions related to the button, JButton, your controls, what we are going to use in our program. Now we are creating one button B. We are initializing it. B is equals to new button. In bracket I am going to give a name of button, that is click me. Your button definition is ready, but it's not available on your applet, so I need to add this B on the applet. For that I am going to use add B. So your B is being added to your applet class. Now run file again, and you can see button is appear in the center. I can access this, but there is no any event is happening, nothing is coming in my output window, because I have just created the button, but there is no any definition related to the action event. So we are going to implements action listener. Action listener is the interface which contain the definition which listen the action happening with the button. To implement action listener, I need to import one library that is java.awt.event. Here, if I am implementing an action listener, it is compulsory to implement one method, that is action perform. Once you implement your method, your NetBeans ID shows error icon over here. You can click implement all abstract methods, select it. Your method automatically going to be added in your project. So you can see here then action perform action event E is been added. This is the HUL method. When something is happened, when someone click on your button, this method is going to be called at that time. So now I am going to run my project and I am going to check this whether it is working or not. Click. No, there is no any action because I have added button, I have implemented action event, but there is no any connectivity between button and action. So now I am going to add a connectivity, that is b.add action listener. In bracket I am going to give this keyword. This is going to be indicate that your action method is available in this class. Add action listener is the method which tell JVM that if button is clicked, then call this action perform method. Here I am removing this exception and I'm going to implement this hello I am clicked. Okay, now again I'm going to run this program. Your applet is appear now. When I'm clicking it, you can see here the hello I'm click is appear, that your method has been called. This is your first program where you're going to implement how to implement the click event. In the next, I want to display a message on a label which is available on applet. So now I'm going to create a new control, that is label L. Again initialize it. Add your control to the applet. Now I no need to implement any kind of action listener to the L because L is used just to set and get the text. We are not going to click or drag or move anything on label. So in this class I will implement L dot set text I am click. Now I'm going to run by pressing Shift F6. You will see the label is not appear right now, but when I click, you will see here I am click is appear. Thank you for watching this video.